guys, it's your girl Red. How's everybody doing? Happy New Year again. I'm still sick. Oh, so excuse me for the way I look and everything. But I'm coming to you with a giveaway. And I'm going to call this the New Year's giveaway. We're just going to jump right into it. I appreciate every one of my subscribers and everybody for watching my videos. Hopefully my channel will grow and I'll be able to do more giveaways and more things for you guys. But this video is basically hair accessories, hair, a few other items. So the first thing I'm going to give away is this wig. Now if you're not into hair or not into wigs, don't even enter. Or either you can enter for some of the other items. I mean, there's only one winner. You will get all this. But you can enter because of the other items and give the wig to someone, or, you know, play around with it, wear it. And the reason I'm giving this away is because I ordered this wig from Hair Sisters and I thought it was so cute, which it is, but the color that I chose is not for me. This wig is brand new, never worn. I'm gonna take it out the pack and show you. First, it's a Freatress Equal Extreme Side Part wig, and this is it comes in. It's a 2-color wig, and let me take it out of the thing. It does have like an extreme part, but it's invisible. Right here, the part is invisible. And this is in the, what color is this? Is in the color OT Papaya. It's a shake and go wig, and this is the color Papaya, and this is the color of it. Like I said, it's brand new, never worn at all. I mean, she's a beauty, she really is, but this color, I did not like this color on me. I mean, I took it out, I tried it on once and put it right back in the pack. This color for me, I like light blondes or either light reds. So this color just wasn't for me. And it does have, she does not have any combs. She does have the adjustable strap in the back. And you can put oil sheen on it and brush her out. Put some, wig spray, however you choose to put it on. If you've never worn a wig before, I have wig tutorials, wig videos, all kind of wig videos and stuff. And it comes in all these different colors. Now, like I said, I do like her, but I may have to order mine in another color. I just did not fool with sending it back. I get a lot of my wigs from hairsisters.com, and so I just said I'll keep it and I'll just do a giveaway with it, because nobody in my family wears like colors like me. And the person that does, it doesn't fit her either. So I'm just gonna do a giveaway with it. So you're going to get this wig, and the other items you're going to get, you're also going to get this wig cap. It's just a wig cap, a knitted wig cap. You're going to get this accessory pack right here. Comes in 14 pieces, and this is blue and white and just different, well, not white, but different blues in it. You're going to get that accessory pack. Make room for everything. You're also going to get these clips. I have the same clips, and I bought 2 of them. I bought 2 of these too, but I got mine in another color. So you're going to get these right here, and this is a 10-piece. If you have a little girl and you don't wear clips, you can give them to her. You're also going to get these kiss lashes right here. I don't wear lashes, but I bought some for giveaways and for gifts and things like that. So you're going to get these natural Kiss natural lashes, and this is in the, it's called high voltage. These are called high voltage lashes. I'm going to get those. You will also get this tea tree oil, and this is used on your hair and other parts of your body as well. I have several of these different ones, but tea tree oil is good for so many different things, and this is the roll-on one. You're going to get that. You're going to get this little polish and file set. You're going to get this hair wrap right here in this color. It's like a purple, and this is a knotted wrap, and I have one just like this in the pink. And you can put it, so when you take this off, you can put it on as is, or you can unwrap this and wrap it back. You can wear it to the back, to the side, to the top, however you want to wear it. You're going to get that. You will get a pack of tissues. You will get this chapstick Total Hydration. I have several of these. I hauled these in one of my videos, and this is pink nude. You're going to get that. You're going to get a face mask, and this is a charcoal aloe collagen face mask. So one in this pack. You're going to get that. You're going to get this Dove body cream. Comes like that. It's a Dove body cream lotion. And you will get this this bottle right here. Excuse me, I am so sick, y'all. And this is growth oil. You're going to get this bottle of growth oil. And I have some of this as well that I use myself. If you don't need it, like I said, you can give it to someone. But this is hair growth oil, and it's the Softy brand. And that's all that you will get that I'm going to show you. And you will also get a little pack, a little Valentine's Day gift that I will add in there as well. So you're going to get just a box, a regular box of all this stuff, assuming it fits in here. If not, I'll find a bigger box. And you're going to get a like I said, a small Valentine's Day gift, since it'll be so close to Valentine's Day. So all you have to do to enter this giveaway, number one, be subscribed. I will check and make sure that you are a subscriber, and hopefully your subscription will stay and you won't enter just for this giveaway and then leave, because I have so many more coming up throughout, you know, my YouTube journey. I do giveaways. I used to do giveaways and contests all the time, and that's something that won't change. So you'll be a subscriber. Number two, comment down below. Only one comment will count per person. So one comment per person. I mean, you can comment different things if you want, but only one comment per person. And the number one comment that will count is just say Happy New Year. That's all you have to do, is say Happy New Year to be entered into my giveaway. And when you comment Happy Giveaway, I will, as I get the comments, I will write your name down on a piece of paper. Because what I'm going to do, I've used the online generators before, but I think I'm going to do something different and probably write or print everyone's name out and cut them and draw from a hat or draw from a basket or something like that. I think that's what I'm going to do. So, yeah, that's all you have to do. Be a subscriber. Leave a comment. One comment that says Happy New Year. And that's all. Just watch this video. Be a subscriber. And leave a comment that says Happy New Year. And this is a show. My appreciation is I'm coming back to YouTube after being gone for so long. So I still appreciate the ones that have been with me from day one, that watch all my videos, that leave comments, that subscribe. I really appreciate it. And so this is my New Year's appreciation giveaway. So hopefully everybody watches and enters. And I want to thank you guys. And I don't know how long I'm gonna run the giveaway. I don't know if it'll be 2 weeks or what, but when the video says ended, that means I won't be taking any more comments after that day. So just get your Happy New Year's post in while you can, and I will get this out to the winner. I will announce the winner maybe within 3 days, or yeah, within 3 days of the giveaway. You will see the announcement video of the winner. So that's about it. So thank you guys.